Have you ever wondered how astronomers explore the vast cosmos beyond what meets the eye? There is another way of exploration. Welcome to our journey into the fascinating world of sonification in astronomy. Take a deep breath and listen to the sound of black hole. To sonify astronomical data, astronomers first select specific dataset such as measurements of star brightness or distribution of galaxies. Then assign defined properties of data such as brightness or position to auditory parameters like pitch, volume, or rhythm. So next time you look up at the night sky, remember that there is more than what naked eye can see. Sonification invites us to listen to the symphony of the universe and experience the wonders of astronomy through the sound.